Welcome back to the Shib channel, everyone. We'll talk about a Binance price pump tonight that has the potential to make you a multimillionaire. According to today's Shiba Inu news, the token's price increased for the sixth straight session on Tuesday, making it one of the major movers. SHIB traded at a low of 0.863 early in the day, but it quickly rose to a high of 0.9593 later in the day. This late rally caused Shiba Inu to reach its highest mark since December 5. The 10-day and 25-day moving average crossovers occurred in an upward direction, which prompted today's surge. We'll discuss the Binance price increase that has the potential to make you a millionaire in this video, along with the most recent Shiba Inu news. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right away. A whopping 12.6 trillion SHIB tokens were taken out of the staking pool of the decentralized exchange shibaswap by Binance, according to Shib, a Twitter handle that keeps track of Shiba Inu burns. Following the unstaking of the K9-themed cryptocurrency, 12.6 trillion SHIB tokens were removed from shibaswap's staking pool by the top exchange, Binance. 12.6 trillion SHIB was valued about $16.23 million at the time of the purchase. Even after taking out more than 12.6 trillion Shiba Inu tokens from the staking pool, the top cryptocurrency exchange left SHIB staking on shibaswap unfinished. Later, Binance restaked 4 trillion SHIB, or $36.28 million, on the platform, according to Shib. Remarkably, the exchange restaked the 4 trillion SHIB tokens in shibaswap's staking pool after first moving them to an anonymous wallet. Furthermore, the Shiba Inu burn tracker shows that there are currently 18.1 trillion SHIB staked in the staking pool. It's important to note that Shib's statement coincides with the burn tracker's mission to inform Shiba Army members about the staggering 4 trillion SHIB tokens that Binance transferred to shibaswap. Meanwhile, the Shiba Inu community responded to the development in a variety of ways. The most important statement was made by Shib, a well-known Shiba Inu influencer. The Shiba Inu team released the DEX on the same day that Binance developed an active wallet on shibaswap, according to Shib. Shib pointed out that Binance makes use of the wallet to stake SHIB in the staking pool, make reward claims, and give users access to those payouts. In other news, the Bugatti Group will have a mint party honoring the ecosystem's NFTs, known as Chaos, as part of a special edition event, as revealed by Shiba Inu. As NFT Genesis holders, the relationship will enable our most loyal and supporting SHIB token holders to own tangible goods and collectible NFTs, according to the company. There will only be 299 releases of the Binance edition, and a very rare first edition release at a mint price of 0.14 ETH. 95% of the mints will come with a crossbody special edition travel bag from the Bugatti Group, and the other 5%, up to 15 lucky community members, will receive a carry-on item from the same Bugatti Group. During the Twitter Spaces event, the minting portal will go live. A week after the mint process closes, the redemption gateway will open. January 15 is the date of the Shib and Bugatti Group Twitter Spaces event. At the moment, the price of Shiba Inu is situated at the peak of a declining wedge. This comes after an attempt to break above the resistance of the pattern for a 66.62% move to 0.158 was unsuccessful. The pattern's upper trend line supports the steadfast resistance, which is located at 0.956 and corresponds with the 100-day exponential moving average. The Shiba Inu price receives the much-needed support from the 5-day EMA at 0.882 to gather adequate liquidity for the second breakout attempt. Bulls may soon attempt to resume the uptrend, particularly in light of the moving average convergence divergence (MACD) indicators by signal. Furthermore, the divergence established by the blue line from the red line and the continuous movement of the MACD above the mean line all reinforce the bullish prognosis for the price of Shiba Inus. It may therefore just be a question of when, rather than if, before the descending wedge breaks. Recall that in just 4 days, the Shib and Bugatti Group Twitter Spaces event will take place, perhaps drawing more attention from investors to SHIB. Purchase orders might be appropriately positioned above the wedge formation, or if you prefer, a strong climb to 0.158, or 66.62%, could result from the 100-day EMA recovery above the pattern. The goal is the distance, projected above the breakout point, between the wedge's widest points. The advent of the Shibarium protocol is much anticipated by the Shiba community. The improvement has been delayed, despite the fact that rumors regarding its release began to grow significantly towards the end of 2022. Shibarium wants to keep a direct connection to the Ethereum network while enhancing SHIB scalability. The Layer 2 blockchain solution, Shibarium, will be made available soon, according to the Shiba development team. The community is hoping for a debut in the first quarter of 2023, although no official date has been declared as of yet. Shiba Inu, one of the major cryptocurrencies that many regular investors follow, is once again experiencing strong growth. The 24-hour increase to 5.6% on January 11 raises Shib's year-to-date gain to almost 14%. Cryptocurrencies and meme tokens are rising in value at the moment for a number of reasons. Many see these assets as high-beta opportunities to profit from this year's surge in asset prices. More speculative assets are being driven off their lows by expectations that interest rates may reach their terminal rate in the first half of the year before a pause. Whale's interest in Shiba Inu has escalated. This month, a $28.7 million purchase was placed. These kinds of acts have the potential to drastically alter the price of a particular token since, similar to most cryptocurrencies, a sizable portion of SHIB is owned by a relatively small number of persons. This is a crucial aspect that many investors will keep an eye on. The debut of Shiba Inu's metaverse and its upcoming Shibarium, which will burn tokens for each transaction on the network, further increase the project's appeal from a tokenomics standpoint. Shiba Inu has surpassed $5 billion in valuation, making it a significant cryptocurrency token. Given that doing so would raise the project's price into incomprehensible levels, it is therefore unlikely to embark on another multi-million percentage run. In actuality, investors can choose from a large number of businesses valued at significantly less than $5 billion that have actual cash flows and profitability. It's one thing to suggest that Shiba Inus can soar from here, but realizing those kinds of achievements could not happen anytime soon. The largest cryptocurrency exchange in India, WazirX, announced on Wednesday that it has made available its proof of reserves, which indicated a reserves-to-liability ratio of more than 1:1. With a value of about $54 million, the Shiba Inu token is the largest holding in WazirX's $286 million reserves. The security and safety of customer cash are our first priorities at WazirX. We have made public our wallet addresses, exchange list, and independent proof of reserves report with this in mind. WazirX reportedly has reserves of $286.1 million, including $26.45 million on the blockchain and $225.965 million in cryptocurrency assets on the exchange. 6.09 trillion Shiba Inu, 1,356,550 ETH, 303.32 million Doge, and 165.3 million Matic are the top 5 holding reserves. Additionally, WX, the native token of the cryptocurrency exchange, has reserves of $95.67 million, or almost $14 million. WazirX asserted that it had enough reserve money on hand to cover user needs in the event of an emergency after publishing its proof of reserves report. The reserve-to-liabilities ratio of the cryptocurrency exchange is more than 1:1. By reserves, WazirX is currently the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in India. In November 2022, WazirX reported that trade volume had decreased by 76% from $43 billion to $10 billion, and the company had previously promised to share its evidence of reserves. The government's actions in December of last year regarding the CBDC and crypto tax had an impact on this decline. Additionally, the cryptocurrency exchange CoinDCX released its proof of reserves report, which revealed $43.99 million in total holdings. According to the research, the top 5 holdings included SHIB, Matic, and Doge, suggesting that Indian users have a preference for these tokens. And that concludes our day. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.